We are here at the Two Rivers, and the Two Rivers, I'm told, has attracted 14 billion shillings, or $140 million. That's a big chunk of our foreign direct investments in Kenya. Today, we are celebrating 10 years of James Mworia's reign at the helm of the Centum Group. My name is James Mworia, the Managing Director of Nabo Capital, and you're watching Invest in Africa. Sam Kariuki, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.
So Sam, what is your role today at the Centum Group?
So I'm the outgoing finance director. I have recently been appointed to head the real estate group of Centum. So I'm the managing director for Centum Real Estate.
Wow. You know, Sam, I've interviewed a few more people, and what strikes me is just the changes. Everybody has held multiple roles, and yours is just underway. But let's speak in your capacity as the CFO of the Centum Group. When you reflect on the last 10 years during James's reign, what really strikes you as notable achievements?
I think as a finance person, my tendency would be to talk finances. Today, Centum sits on 70 billion shillings total assets, 700 million US dollars. That has been achieved without new capital injection from shareholders, has been achieved at a relatively low gearing, but if you look at the ingenuity in the multiplication of capital that has happened in the last 10 years, but I say it's probably the most outstanding thing about Centum and about James' leadership over the last 10 years.